Oh no, they're gonna be dead when he goes back, aren't they?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh no.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be watching Chainsaw Man episode 5. And so last time on Chainsaw Man, Meowie survived. It was wonderful. That was actually what I was most concerned about. And then we got to see that Hayakawa has this cool Naruto fox that he has a contract with. And now Denji, Hayakawa, and Power are all going to be living under the same roof.
For better or for worse.
Yeah, that's gonna be exciting, you know, to see how chaotic that gets.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're gonna get to see if Denji gets to live out his wildest fantasies.
Reap the rewards.
We'll see. We'll see.
Well, here we are.
Heavy breathing. Oh my gosh.
Wow. I'm surprised. It's actually happening. What is going on?
It's actually happening.
Or is it?
Is this fake?
これは胸パッドじゃな。つけると胸が大きくなる不思議アイテムじゃ。
I mean, it was still
She tricked him.
さあ、あと二もみじゃ。
Honey. Oh my goodness.
はい、あと一もみ。はい、終わりさ。どうじゃ、あんま良かったじゃろ。いいもん揉めてよかったの。これで貸し借りなしじゃな。にゃーこは助けたからの。いろいろ言いてえことあるけど。マキマからは逃げられんからな。うぬらの仕事手伝ってやるわ。改めてよろしくな。にゃーこはもう出るぞ。
Wow, Meowie was ready for that. Wow, I'm impressed.
Well, Meowie did have like a very traumatic experience.
Yeah.
I don't think he's satisfied.
Yeah, he said that's it.
Yeah.
Like this man has figured out the meaning of life.
I think his like hopes and dreams were just crushed.
It could be, yeah. I could see either, honestly.
これはこことここにハンコ。
I think he's dead inside.
書類ばっかりで
Makima
嫌
knows
だ
something's
ね。
up.
コウモリの悪魔を倒したのに悪いことしたみたい。
That's not what was
Denji-kun.
the bad thing.
何か悩みでもあるの？
Oh, look at her caring.
Yeah,
俺は
she's the best.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていたより大したことなくて、もしかし
Now he
たら
knows.
これから俺がまた何か違うもんを追いかけて掴んだ時も
Man, he's asking the
追いかけ
important
てた頃の方が
questions.
幸せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって。
He's dumb.
No, that's very profound, I think.
クソじゃないですか。
Not about boobs.
Well, yeah, but you can
デンジ
apply it
君
to
は何の
anything.
話をしているの？
Yeah, that's fair. But not
初め
about
て胸を揉んでみたら大したことなかったって話です。
Makima's like, oh, power moves in, and then you... Oh, I thought she was gonna put his hand on hers and be like,
エッチな
try
ことは
mine.
ね。相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると私は思うんだ。相手の心を理解するのは難しいことだから。
See, Makima's the best.
最初は
she's creepy.
手をじっくり観察してみ
Yeah, no, she's creepy.
て。指の長さ
Absolutely
は
not.
どれくらい？
I feel like I'm watching
指
something
を
I
噛ま
should.
れたことはある？
かま
覚えて。
Like,
デンジ君の目が見えな
A
くなって
little
も
bit, yeah.
私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに
yeah, I feel awkward.
覚えて。
覚えました。
I guess she breathed life back into him.
Yeah. Oh my god. Well.
Glad we're getting so much of this.
Man, he's done it twice now. Oh my god. Maybe that time was everything he'd hoped it would be. It makes all the difference. See, you just need a little bit of best girl.
デンジ君、お願いがあるんだけど、いいかな?
Girl, you could ask him for whatever you want.
Literally anything in the world.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪魔。
13年前、米国に出現して、今もどこにいるかわからない。すべてのデビルハンターが殺したがっている、とっても強い悪魔。私ね、デンジ君なら殺せると思うんだ。君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。
It's good she has a high opinion of him.
もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
Or maybe she just thinks he can be so motivated by sex that
デ
he
ン
will
ジ
be
君
able
が
to
銃
do the
の悪魔
impossible.
を殺せたら、マキマさんが
I
俺の
mean,
願
I
い
guess it's possible,
何でも
but
一つ叶えてあげる。
you're just a hater.
それ
I mean, true.
それはつまりデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺したらマキマさんが願い事を何でも一つ叶えてあげるっつうことですか？
Or maybe she's sending him off to be murdered.
何でもって
Who knows?
I doubt it.
例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
おすげえなことあってもいいんですか？
This thing, wow.
んなことあってもいいくらい強くて悪い悪魔なの。悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期
Oh
に
man, if he's super
銃を
strong,
使っ
I'm
た事件
excited
や
to
内
see
戦が増え
the
たんだ。
fight.
メディアも活発にニュースを取り上げ、銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。アメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。
Which one?
その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
その家のなんと大
Is
きか
this
った
little
ことでしょ
Hayakawa? Or like his little
都会
brother
の
or
ネズミ
something?
の家族は
I don't know.
外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。
I guess not.
一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
I think that is
そん
his
なのい
little
つもだ
brother.
わ。
Yeah,
太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。
お兄ちゃんなんだから我慢して一人で遊びなさい。
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Man, it's hard to tell without him like smoking a cigarette right now.
or being really hateful.
うるさい。ついてくんなよ。
Oh wait, here's the hateful.
Okay, it's definitely him.
俺は一人で遊べるんだ。バカ！やめろって言ってるだろ。
Oh, this is so cute. Something terrible is gonna happen.
Yep. I was thinking the same thing.
冷て。
Is the devil gonna show up or something?
お前が風邪ひく。
Oh, wait.
俺が怒られんだよ。
Didn't he say a devil killed his family?
キャッチ
I
ボー
think
ルなら
so, yeah.
Oh
手冷
no.
たくならないだろ。
Oh
家からブローって言
no.
ってこい。
Oh no, they're gonna be dead when he goes back, aren't they?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh no.
I hope not though, but probably. Oh, well, that just
だいたい5分弱で120万人を殺した後、
Yeah.
銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
I was kind of expecting just that house to be murdered, but okay. We just
Yeah.
その後、
upped it.
悪魔そのものに対する恐怖が高まって、すべての悪魔が以前よりも力が強くなったの。
Wow. I see why he is so
銃の
jaded
悪魔を少し
now.
でも弱くするために、
Yeah.
銃所持の基本厳罰化。デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
まあなんていうか俺がすっげえドカンと頑張れば大丈夫いでしょ。
A piece
そ
of
れな
cake.
らまずは銃
Why
の
do I get
悪
the
魔を
feeling
見つけな
it's
きゃだね。
not going to be a piece of cake?
どうやってそいつは見つけるんです？
これは集めた10の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。悪魔がこの肉片を食べると10の悪魔の力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。
Kinda disgusting,
ほら
but
くっついた。
Yeah, that's gross.
は
10の悪魔はとっても強い悪魔だからね。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。
Oh.
だから
This
この
also
肉
gives
片
me
をもっ
Jujutsu
と大きく
Kaisen
すれ
vibes.
ば10の悪魔にたどり着く。
あ全部殺す。
I think that Hayakawa is going to be the one that wants to kill the Gun Devil, and he's gonna like fight Dingy to be able to kill it.
ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。公安大麻得意4課6人を出動させます。
What a squad.
このホテル
Go
内
for
のどこかに
Hayakawa.
潜んでいる。
Just all the time. I'm
そ
like,
れも
oh,
これは
honey.
ただの悪魔じゃない。銃の肉
I
片を食
definitely
べ
do
た
more
悪魔。
now than the
銃
first
の悪魔
couple
本人がいるんじゃ
episodes.
ねえの？
See, that's why I'm an
肉片
excellent
が大
judge
きいほど
of character.
強く引き寄せられる。
I mean, it
この程度じゃ違う。
doesn't excuse his actions
そうなん
fully.
だ。
He was.
いいの
he did
それ
his best.
わしによこせ。
At heart.
No, he didn't.
お前ら敬語はどうした？
I don't think
あ
so.
何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。
Wow.
Is it all it takes a stick of gum for
早
them?
川先輩。
先
Oh
輩
gosh, it is.
よし。
やり。
Oh my god.
Wow.
早川先輩。これから一緒に悪魔と戦う仲間として、そいつらに背中
You
任
know,
せて大丈夫な
Makima
んです
may
か？
be best girl, but Power might just be the perfect match for Dingy.
自分は信用できません。
She really is.
こいつらに背中は任せない。逃げたり悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。
畜生みたいな扱いじゃな。
お前らに人権はない。
Don't get rights. Okay.
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。
What is he
朝
not?
のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
Oh,
あれ
gosh,
はいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
怖っ。
Oh,
何があ
please
ったの？
show us.
ハキ君厳しくしてばっかじゃかわいそうだよ。
そうだぜ。コウモリに殺されかけたと思ったらすぐ仕
It's
事だ
not。going to.
褒美くれ。
I'm so sad.
よし、私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
結婚前の乙女がそんなみだらな。
A kiss on the
ご
cheek.
褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょ。
Let's not talk about Power and Dingy.
Yeah, right.
He is
キ
so
スは
easy
俺
to
もいいよ。
Yeah.
大丈夫。やる気はあっから。
おろ。
俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしね
は
Respectable though.
あ。アキ君の前でそれを言うか。
え。それに俺は大切なことを教わった。エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。
You don't
名
get
前も
her.
知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
She's brainwashed him.
へ
ベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
Oh, what happened to? I'm not gonna kiss anyone until the cut devil's dead.
She upped the stakes a little bit.
単独コーナー聞けんな。止まれ。
He's such an idiot.
男の子からかうのが一番面白いや。新井君は実力不足だけどやる気は十分って感じ。小紅ちゃんは引っ込み思案だけどかなり動けるかな。アキ君はこの新人4人生き残れると思う？
こいつは強いなと思ったやつもそうでないやつも1年あれば死ぬか民間に行きます。
答えになってない
I
な。
must not get attached to them.
アキ君は死なないでね。
Well, they live in his house, so he's going to get attached to them.
He's tried his best not to though.
お前の新しいバディだ。
Oh,
ブレーダーが
guess
少
Earl
しは
Parker
使え
died.
るように育てた。
He's
うま
rude.
くやれ。
That's a bit of an understatement.
俺は秋。
He's
よろしく。
fine.
私のバディ君で6人目。
Dang.
Oh,
全員死んでるの。
dang.
使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
Oh, she's hardcore.
Well, after 6
still-
partners,
死なな
yeah.
いでね。
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Well, that's, adorable.
捕まえた。
浮いた。
Oh. Psychic.
Well, Power's in trouble now.
Yep.
Girl, you too timid for
悪
this.
魔めわしにビビって浮き合ったわ
違う違う、私の力。
なんじゃ
私は幽霊の悪魔
Now
と
that you
契約し
mention
て
it,
るの。
when she finally does fight,
私の右
she...
目を食べさせた
I'm saying it again.
ゴ
She's
ースト
probably
の
gonna
右
be a
手を使えるって
badass.
わけ。私のゴースト、透明で力持ちで便利でしょ。どうアキくん、獣野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつじゃないですね。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする
武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
That's pretty OP.
触れない
Really OP.
Oh! That's so useful.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
So they got Darth Vader on the squad now.
そのうち食ってやる
Very useful.
俺とキスするんだから食うんじゃね
俺
どうした
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を上りましたよね。
あ
ここも8階ですよ。
No.
見間違いじゃねえな。
違う、何かがおかしい。確認してくれ。
決めたステーキにして食ってやるわ
ステーキ俺ステーキ食ってみて。
He's never had steak? Oh, man.
This poor man.
You're missing out, did you? That's what you should really be
新井
after.
くん、今階段降りていったよね。
あ
That girl should not be there. She should not be there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
This seems like it's turning into a horror movie.
Yeah, we're in a Scooby-Doo episode now.
No, for real. I do love that, you know, I love that Power's all in for the fight. She's just like, okay, cool.
Yeah, she
And then
doesn't
she's
even
there.
think,
I
like,
love it.
it's just me see, me kill.
Love it. What's not to
Imagine that devil was like someone they needed alive, and she's just like, don't worry, I'll take care of it. And then
I
they're
think
dead.
if that was the case, they would have not taken Power on this.
I guess that's a good
rendezvous
point.
trip. I mean, you know, you gotta know. It's like Digi and Power. They're not really there for the high intelligence operations. They're there to
True.
kill stuff and get out. I really want to know what prank they pulled on him.
Yeah, me too.
I'm so sad they didn't show us.
Yeah, we'll never know.
Oh.
Because, like, knowing him, it could have been, like, his reaction, it could have been from the smallest thing. Like, it actually was just, like, a really small prank. Or it could have been completely terrible.
Because it's Power, and like, you know, like, what's the scale? Is it that Hayakawa has no sense of humor,
Yeah.
or is it that Denji and Power are ridiculous? And because that's the full scale,
I'd say it's both. I am curious to see what's up with this hotel, though.
yeah. Same.
Interesting.
And if any of them die.
Yeah, it's too early for that.
No, not the new ones. I don't think. The new rookies. I think they could.
Maybe. I feel if it does happen, like right as they're about to die, we're gonna get like some flashback to their backstory.
Oh yeah. Like a
Guaranteed.
Slayer thing.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm glad Dingy finally got his goal, even if it was a little lackluster for him.
I'm not.
But then Makima reignited the flame, so
Yeah, also not thrilled about that.
I'm curious to see where that goes.
Thank you for joining us today. If you like what we do, if you laughed with us, or reacted with us, or just enjoyed our reactions, then please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can be notified when we drop new content. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.